done. Send call sign again, over. You are broken and unreadable.
Your comms on all circuits.
Full charge. We've got civilian any station. Transmitting in the blind. All stations north of the gap. Over.
Sentinel 01. Request sitrep. What's happening out there? Acknowledge. Over. Major Cormack. We need a sitrep immediately. Confirm.
We got movement on TRP 3 and 5. Confirmed changes on those cargo ships. They're attacking the fleet. It'll be a massacre.
At ease, Lieutenant! How many assets do I still have active in the area?
Scanning. Stand by. Connecting you now.
All signal teams radio check.
Sentinel 2-2 radio check. Charlie Lima.
Sentinel 2-1. Loud and clear. So what the fuck are we supposed to do now?
Solid copy. Descend and hold position at the carrier. I'm en route.
Jesus.
Alice is trying to take control of the carrier's weapon systems. We need to get jammers on those rail guns and buy our technicians some time.
We've got enemy troops all over the carrier.
They're gonna try and take the ship's bridge. Let's move.
We won't let them get away with this.
Get to the railgun and plant the jammer. Set the jammer!
Boost jumpers incoming!
Jammer set! One more to go! 2 warbirds coming from the west!
Pilot's choppers inbound. Tango to fast him again. That warbird has a lead on you. Take cover. should slow him down.
Railguns are secured. We're heading to the bridge.
All fast, Nicholas! They're all over the goddamn place.
Kill your boosters. I don't need anyone breaking their neck. We need to get to the bridge. Power's out. Switch to night vision. Clear him out! This way!
Atlas has taken the bridge. Arclight security is being compromised. They bypassed our jammers.
We have to break through to the other side of the hangar deck! Through the door!
Those cargo ships are tearing up the fleet. We just lost another boat.
We're almost at the bridge! Lights out! Authorization to engage.
Sentinel 1, put the herd on him, soldier. Before we lose another ship.
Copy that. Okay, linking in. I need you to target for me, Mitchell. Get on that terminal. Target that cargo ship. steady on the cargo ship, Mitchell. Cargo ship is down. Switching to the second ship. Hold that target.
Down. Sentinel 01. All enemy ships accounted for and destroyed. Good work, team.
Copy that, Kingpin.
Fucking hell. There's no turning back from this.
What happens next?
Next. Irons just murdered thousands of innocent people on U.S. soil. Next, we hunt them down. And we bury them.